Hey, welcome back. So, today we will see how we can actually release our IPA or app into the App Store. So, we uploaded iOS build some times ago. Now we can actually release this build to the App Store. So, we just wanted to focus on App Store Connect, where we have three different sections: Xcode Cloud for CI/CD platform, TestFlight for uploading the build or IPA, and then to distribute it among the testers. The tester can be internal or external. And finally, we have distribution tab where we will be uploading our app for the App Store release. App Store release is also the public release. So let us dive into it and understand what information we need to fill to release the app. So there is different section. The very first one is the iOS app. So 1.0, prepare for submission. Interestingly, whenever you want to release a build for the App Store, it need to be always 1.0, the very first version. If you have something other than 1.0, it will not be accepted by the review team of the Apple. So make sure you are always using the 1.0 version. You can find the version number here. Interestingly, you can also add another platform like macOS or tvOS or visionOS, but currently we will not be focusing on there. We will just focus how we can actually release an iOS app on the App Store. This app is kind of like iPhone and iPad compatible, so I need to add the screenshot. Promotional text is not necessary for the first version. Now we're gonna fill some description text. Keywords, support URL, copyright. So this is the company which actually owns the app or the person. So I am writing it down like this way. And then we need to add the build. We will add our existing build. On the app preview information, I need to fill the contact information. This person will be contacted by Apple if there is something unclear. If you need to have some kind of special login for the Apple people to look into your app, here is the place you can provide the username and password. For me, it is not required, so I'm not putting anything here. And there should be some notes explaining how to test this app for the Apple people or the review people. And if you need some attachment, you can add it. But for now, I think I don't need it. I always make sure my apps are released manually. The reason is that I think it is better to have a manual release, or at least the manual release of public version of the app. So yeah, but it could be something different for you. So it's up to you. Saving the changes. The next thing we want to fill up is the app information. Let us fill our app name and subtitle. Now let us fill up the category, the main or primary category of the app. For me, it will be education. Now I also need to fill the content rights. So for me, it do not show any kind of third-party content, but yeah, fill what is appropriate for you. The final thing to fill up on this page is the age rating. So I don't have any cartoon or fantasy violence. So yeah, I am filling the information that is required for this app. So feel free what is appropriate for your app. Moving to next one. Moving to the next screen. So yeah, again moving to the next screen. My age rating is done, so I'm making it complete. Moving to app privacy. Here we will add an privacy policy URL. Saving the changes. Now once we have added the privacy policy URL, it is time for us to add some information to make sure we are actually collecting the data appropriately according to Apple. For this, we need to have the access of an admin. So let us start. For me, there is no third-party partners to collect this data, so I'm saving it. Publishing the changes. Finally, moving to the pricing. So this will be a free app. Moving to the next screen. Confirming the pricing. Once we have added all the information, we can now add this app for review. Confirming the app review. Okay, we have now actually submitted our app for review. We can see here it is now on the waiting for review. So that's it. Once the app is reviewed, we can actually release this app to the App Store for public release. So yeah, that's conclude this section. So see you soon.